One year there was a severe drought in Makkah. As a result, the farms had dried up and the sheep and camels were drying without any water to drink. People all over Makkah tried hard to come up with a solution to fix this big problem. They prayed to their idols and even sacrificed a sheep to them in order to have their wish granted. However, nothing they did worked. Finally, an old man said to the people, "We should ask Abdul Muttalib to help us, since he is from the family of Prophet Ibrahim." When the people came to Abdul Muttalib, he immediately took them to Muhammad. He then took Muhammad's hand and gently placed it on the Kaaba as he prayed. He loudly called out 3 times, "O Allah, for the sake of Muhammad, send rain upon us. O Allah, for the sake of Muhammad, send rain upon us. O Allah, for the sake of Muhammad, send rain upon us." A few seconds later, the people watched in shock as the clouds began to gather together. Turning from white to grey, there was a loud clapping thunder, and all of a sudden the sky started pouring rain. The people of Makkah were so happy, they rejoiced in the street, kissing and hugging the Prophet. After this extraordinary miracle, more people started to love and respect Muhammad, and at the age of 40, Allah ordered him to announce that he was a prophet. With his prophethood, he would bring mercy and peace to everyone. One day, Prophet Muhammad was passing through the streets of Medina when an old Jewish man came up to him. He had heard of Prophet Muhammad's unique name. He stared at the Prophet's lovely face and asked him, "O Muhammad, I have read your name in the holy books. Why were you given this name?" Prophet Muhammad smiled and said, "This is the name given to me by Allah, because everyone in this world and even the angels will like and praise my good deeds." So as you can see, the news that the angel had brought to Aminah was true. Allah named him Muhammad because he is the best creation of Allah, and everyone and everything will praise him.